Carolyn, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw a cute snail. So let's get started. So first, you're going to need these two colors. I'm only going to use two colors besides my black Sharpie. I'm going to use a teal, and then I'm going to use a light brown. And then my black Sharpie, you can use a pencil if you'd like. I'm going to use my black Sharpie. We're going to start with the eyes of the snail. I'm going to go up like this. I'm going to leave a little space. I'll make this a little bit longer. There we go. And I'm going to go down, and then I'm going to curve, and I'm going to go back up like that. Okay? Might make these just slightly longer. Okay. Now I'm going to go back down like this so it matches the other side. Okay? So you have a U shape, then you have a line here, and you have a line here to start the eyes. Now you're going to do two circles, just like this. 1, 2. Now that we have those two circles, we're going to finish off the eye. So these are just how I do eyes. Do curved line, and a little line out, curved line, and a little line out just like that. Okay. Curve this down. This. Kind of looks like a slug right now. And then I'm going to do a smile like that. I'm going to do some little spots right here. So just some little circles down here. So I'm going to go up and around like that. Then I'm going to do a swirl in the middle. Then I'm going to draw kind of like his little tail. It's just his body, the shell is over his body, so it makes it look like the shell's over his body, and then the rest has come out right there. Now it is time to color our snail. So let's get started. Thank you so much for drawing this cute little snail with me today. You can visit my website, Carolyn Cassidy Art, if you'd like coloring pages and how to draw pages as well. And I also have a drawing book, How to Draw a Little Bit of Everything, a fun drawing book for kids if you'd like to check that out on Amazon. And I really hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. I look forward to seeing you again. Bye!